Hey, this is David Perdue from MyNAMS.com and the Novice to Advanced Marketing System. And I wanted to give you a quick inside look at what is involved in the lifetime membership of the MyNAMS site. First thing I want to say is the MyNAMS lifetime membership is not the Insiders Club. The Insiders Club is a premium group coaching that we do. It is not that. But beyond that, it's everything else. So let's take a look at what you're getting with the lifetime membership in the MyNAMS system. So first thing you do is you log in, and let me show you where you do that. This is a little strange because we're in the middle of our contest and we have our leaderboard here on the contest on the front page, so it pushes everything down. But usually your login is at the top of the page. I'm going to click in here and log into my site. And you'll see here now on this page, it welcomes me by name. It says my account information. And if you click on this, my membership information, that's where you can access everything that you own, everything that's delivered to you, all of the stuff that you've purchased inside the MyNAMS site. You'll see the active resources are below here with all of your links to those access areas. And you can see that I've got a lot of material here. You can also manage your newsletter subscriptions here. You can have a lot of material here as well by being a lifetime member. So let's go take a look at what you are getting into with the lifetime membership. So here it is. You click on the membership stack here. This is the one you're going to use almost all the time. It is where you can get to just about everything you want to get to in the MyNAMS membership. Start with the dashboard. This is the 52 module dashboard. You can see it. We still have our navigation across the top. And you can see that we have it divided up into 100, 200, 300, and 400. So you click on any of these, number 100, 200, 300, 400, and you will see that you get an entirely new set of tasks and modules. And you can see as you complete them, it shows up here in your progress bar how you have done all through your system. Now, it says here the NAMS 100 across the top, but it also has highlighted NAMS 300 because I took the test, the Test Your IQ, and it's testing your marketing IQ here, and it tells me that I'm mostly a 300 person, the way that I took that test. And if you answer those questions specifically and correctly, it will drop you into one of these categories as well, and you can start in that module system, or you can come in and take a look at any of the other module systems that we have here. So for example, I've checked Module 2, Niche Marketing, how to choose a profitable niche. Here's niche product selection. These are linear, by the way. We think that mindset is first, niche marketing is next, and you really want to start right in building your site and figuring out what your niche is. You want to make sure that you choose the right market. So that's why we emphasize these things in the order that we do. So if I jump down here and I click on details, it shows me that I have 3 tasks in that module. I can click on any of those to start them, and most of them are videos. Most of them are training by our experts. This is Kevin Riley and Kathleen Gage, and I have how to choose an affiliate program here as well. And then we have resource links. Here's the 4-part webinar series on how to on free affiliate training, and here are related posts that are from our blog that are pulled in automatically about those about that topic pretty much. Okay, so that's the dashboard. By the way, I'm hurrying through this because I want to keep it to under 10 minutes if possible. We have a link here called How to Use MyNAMS. MyNAMS is huge. So we've created a long series about how to get the most out of it. It is actually 7 hours, 7 different products. 7 different videos. And you can come in here and take a look at any of these to see how to get the most out of each section of the website. And we have broken these up into sections. And you can see we have the overview, the membership training, the downloads, the community calendars and images, the affiliates in the niche mall, and the NAMS workshop. So that's always there for you that you can go back and familiar yourself with the site if you want to. I mentioned the live replays. Those are here. When you click on that, you see a gallery of all of the replays, and you can choose any of them to listen to. The library is important. You really want to pay attention to the library because this is where all of the tutorials are for you. So you see here we have the 1000 MyNAMS videos. Those are the technical tutorials. You click on that. And they show up here in collapsed format. And you can see complete FTP if you have any issues with FTP. It took me a long time to figure that one out. cPanel, if you want to find your cPanel version and figure out how to use that, you click on any of those. Facebook series. Here's a Facebook series. Here's a Fantastico series. You can find out what's in Fantastico and how to use it. That's inside your cPanel. How to set up a gallery using a gallery software. Let's see, Internet Explorer. Horde is webmail, Incredimail. Those are all webmail. Joomla, if you're using Joomla, there's a lot of videos on Joomla. If you want to set up a free cart on your site, we have the carts in there. PayPal, Photoshop. If you want to learn how to create a table in a database, you would click on that link to open up the video, and it'll walk you through with voice accompaniment and also text, so you can read as well. There's a lot of information here about the PHP MyAdmin. That's an important function that you want to pay close attention to. And then we have a lot of other stuff here too, including Twitter, WHM if you have a reseller account, WordPress 3, YouTube series, Zencaart, how to use all of those things. And we're adding these all the time. So that is that part of the tutorial system. Now let me go back to the main page, and you'll see we have additional tutorials here that you can click on and find out more about specific topic information that we have purchased from other people or we've created ourselves and put in here for you, like how to add a watermark to your videos, how to add a video player to your site, customize your PayPal checkout pages, all of that. Then you have the guides and ebooks down here, mindset lessons, making sense of AdSense, getting started with Aweber, Google Analytics, and then you have a bunch of checklists and worksheets to actually make your life a little easier on getting things set up. So that's the tutorials in the library. Now the rest of this is pretty much the monthly stuff that you get. Monthly turnkey mini site, monthly PLR content, professional graphics, audio clips. You can download complete niche websites here, and those 5 are really the key to your monthly. You want to make sure that you come in and grab those on a monthly basis, and some of those we actually keep in gallery, in a gallery setting, so that you can come in and kind of get what you need when you need it. Then we have the niche mall. The niche mall is probably the most underused piece of this site. I really love this, and we try to make this available for all of our members. And what it is you can see here on the left all these different niche categories. So if you are into health and fitness, diet and weight loss, if that's your niche, you can click on this and you'll see that you have 3 links here. As a member, you see 3 links. If you're not a member, you only see the 1 link. Now here's losing weight nature's way. So you can create custom ads by clicking that link, and you have an entire ad builder here with your affiliate link embedded. So you can create an image link and modify that any way you want, with a border, with font size, all of that. Grab that code, drop it on your site, and that'll send people directly to the website, so that you can send them to a website, not to this mall, so that they are actually in a sales funnel. And with your affiliate link, which is, by the way, a 100% commission, instant commission to your PayPal account. This is basically your product. As a member, you get to set this up. In fact, we actually give you the download link here so that you can check that product out to see if you want to sell it, if it is something that's up to your standards. I believe we were looking at this one, the losing weight nature's way. Okay, so that's the niche mall. Then we have the community, which is, we have the member directory, where you can put in your information in the member directory. We're building that out all the time so that we can actually have a JV hub here, so that members can put in their niches in the JV hub, and you can reach out through our forum and private messaging there to be able to contact people in the forum who you'd like to do deals with. So that's one way that we've tried to make this more of a community. Then we can go to the member home here, and you'll see we have an entire forum system, blogs, calendar, activity, gallery, royalty-free images that you can use, and you can see that we have new posts and private posts and just a lot of material here that you are able to communicate with your fellow members. Now, one of the things I want to show you here is that you have your own blog with our system. So you can see, for example, this is Carol Brimner. She's a longtime member, and she is has written a post here on using Paperly and how to do that. She's created a video and dropped it in. So Carol can drive people back to her own site using this system quite a bit. And a lot of folks are doing that. A lot of folks are creating their own blog post on their site and putting pieces of their content in here to drive back to their system, to their site where it says read more. That will take them back to their site, and then they're getting more traffic from us that way, and also better SEO and better links. We're an authority site, so getting a link, a do follow link back from us is a really good thing, and we give that to you on your own blog. If you don't have a blog already, you can use ours actually to sell from. You can create your own blog here and start posting this all over and driving people into the system. And then of course there's the forum itself, which is actually a completely separate site inside our system. So you can see that we have a lot of activity in the forum. We have a lot of posts and a lot of people who are communicating on a regular basis in here, and a lot of activity. Now, when we talked about the accountability groups, we do have accountability groups, some of them more active than others, and we really encourage you to join an accountability group. You can see here the Southeast is really active, Northeast is pretty active as well, and the Central US is incredibly active. Now, if you want to get yours active in your area, you start recruiting people into your area and drag them into your accountability group in that area. So this is a place where you can actually start communicating and publicly posting what you are wanting to do with your site, and having people kind of like a mastermind, except we're more action oriented. So we really want you to be more accountable to the group. That's it. That's what we have inside of the MyNAMS system. You'll see that it is a huge community and has lots of material for you. So thanks for watching.